The Akwa Ibom state government has announced plans to recruit more than 2,000 professionals into the health sector in the next 30 days. The stride, which is part of the state of emergency declared on the health sector by the state governor, Pastor Eno, was announced at the periodic media briefing by the Commissioner for Information, Honorable Aniakan Umana, at the Ministry of Information, Idon Getsit Nkanga Secretariat Uyo. Mary Onyemechi has details.
It is the first in the series of periodic briefing by the state government, and its focus was on appraising the 5 pillars of the Arise agenda, following the declaration of the state of emergency in the health sector. The state government invited applications from retired healthcare professionals willing to contribute in serving the people, and more than 200 of them have so far applied. This is coming as 15 primary healthcare centers have been remodeled across the state, while a holistic health reform law will be in place before the end of December 2025.
The healthcare state of emergency that His Excellency the Governor declared in the State Executive Council a few weeks ago and appointed an interministerial committee to drive that initiative headed by the Honorable Commissioner for Health, Dr. Ekemimano John, who is here, and the committee have been working day and night, meeting day and night to meet the aspirations of His Excellency in developing and implementing this 12 months emergency.
Every single person who retired between 2015 and today, that's 10 years back in time, but is strong enough and medically fit to offer services should be recalled and offered contract appointments.
The Commissioner for Health, while speaking on the incident that occurred at the General Hospital, Ikotemene, assured residents that investigations are being carried out at the moment to ensure that culprits are persecuted.
The investigative committee was inaugurated and I handed them over personally to the chairman of that committee. That is not the action of a government that wants to cover up any wrongdoing. Never. And that committee came up with its findings. It was presented to His Excellency in ESCO, and he immediately directed that I should forward it to the Civil Service Commission, and they must sit and look at the recommendations of the committee in line with the extant public service rules and ensure that fairness and justice is upheld to the end.
The Commissioner for Information, Honorable Aniakan Umana, while railing out achievements of government in road infrastructure, said within 2 years, about 771 kilometers of roads are at various stages of construction, with 31 bridges completed.
The Governor himself and the Honorable Minister defied the rains in Accra and performed that commissioning that has opened up that link between Akwa Ibom State and Abia State, and has also opened up the title of that rural stretch from where they call it Kakerewere. That is that junction along the Itimikwe Road all the way to Azumini in Abia State. That's a very major development and has brought succor to the people of Akwa Ibom State and other Nigerians who use that road.
On workers' welfare, the Commissioner said the state government is releasing more funds for pensions and gratuities, as well as 1.2 billion naira as wardrobe allowance for teachers. Other achievements in the education, aviation, tourism, and power sectors were also highlighted.
We've just concluded phase 3 of the food distribution. Another phase 3, with phases 1 and 2, we had about 470,000 households that benefited over. And if you add this now, we should be shooting towards 600,000 households.
The session ended with interactions from newsmen, as well as commendations from the Chief Press Secretary to the Governor, Mr. Ekerete Udo. Mary Onyemechi, ADBN News.